On today's video, we're going to take a look at this nice, slim, and narrow side table with storage and 2 shelves. The slim end table with magazine holder does come in 4 different colors: black, gray, oak, and the one we purchased, which is the rustic brown. Of course, these types of vintage side tables do come in different variations. Here's another 3-tier slim end table, very modern looking, but instead of fabric, it uses a wooden base. Or you can opt to only have a single top shelf with the magazine rack as well. And of course, all of these do come in their own different colors. On today's video, we're going to show you how to put this together with easy steps. So stay tuned for the whole video. What's up, everybody? So this is a rustic brown side table for your bedroom or your living room. Let's put it together. It comes in different colors. The reason I got this is because it's super narrow, super slim, so it's gonna fit beside our couch. 22 inches tall, almost 17 length, and 7 inches wide. Super minimal. It's got a magazine rack and 2 little shelves. Let's put it together. Everything is numbered. This is the rustic look. It will go nice with our new slats. When you're putting this together, everything is numbered, so everything is super easy. Just simply follow the manual and you'll be good to go. The assembly instructions are provided for you, so simply look at the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First step, just take number 5, 4, 3, tighten them up with the screws. Here's what it's going to look like. So this is your 3, this is your 3. These 2 go in. So one has to have one forward, like this. So you're just gonna slide this in, slide that in, take the screws, use the provided Allen key to tighten them up. Easy breezy. Next, take our number 1, which is the biggest shelf, place it downwards to expose the floor. And now we're gonna take the number 3, it's assembled, and put it upside down on those holes. Take screw B and place it in. Place them in here and tighten them up with the Allen key. Repeat the process on the other side. All right, now we put this on this. Use these screws. Wow! Final step, putting on the legs like Zane's doing right there. Tighten it up. Next, we grab shelf number 2. And on the sides, there are holes. Take these screws, place this way. Take these and place them in here and tighten them up. And the last step is to take 6 and 7 and attach it. Now we're going to be attaching it a little higher so some piece can rest on the back. Put this on the side and repeat this on the other side right here. Or you can go a little lower if you want, but we're going to go at the top. So here is the side table. It's got 2 shelves. It's got a storage fabric here. It's pretty sturdy. Looks pretty nice. Of course, these types of vintage side tables do come in different variations. Here's another 3-tier slim end table, very modern looking, but instead of fabric, it uses a wooden base. Or you can opt to only have a single top shelf with the magazine rack as well. And of course, all of these do come in their own different colors.
And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.